Have you ever worked for months or years, but nothing happened? This boy felt the same, until he heard one story. That changed everything. This is Arjun. He had a big dream. He wanted to become a YouTuber. Every week he made videos. He worked hard, edited, uploaded, but no views, no likes, no subscribers. People laughed. They said, "Give up. This is not for you." Arjun felt defeated. He started to think, maybe they're right. Maybe I'm not good enough. One day, Arjun went to the park. He sat on a bench looking down. An old man saw him. He asked, "Why do you look so sad, young man?" Arjun told him everything. "I'm trying so hard, but nothing works." The old man smiled and said, "Let me tell you a story. It's about the Chinese bamboo tree. When you plant a bamboo seed, nothing grows in the first year. Not in the second, not in the third, not even in the fourth. People think it's dead. They laugh at the farmer. But the farmer keeps watering it. Then in the fifth year, something amazing happens. The bamboo grows 80 feet tall in just 6 weeks. The old man looked into Arjun's eyes. Was the bamboo growing all that time? Yes, he said. It was growing roots underground. Your dream is the same. Even if you don't see it yet, it is growing. Arjun went home with new energy. He didn't stop. He made more videos. He learned. He improved. He kept going. At first, still no big results. But he believed. He kept watering his dream. Then one day, one video started to grow. 100 views, then 1,000, then 10,000. Comments came in. This helped me. Please make more. Arjun smiled. His dream was growing, just like the bamboo. Remember, even when nothing seems to be happening, your roots are growing. Don't give up. Keep going. Keep watering your dream. Your time will come. What dream are you growing? Tell us in the comments. And if you want more stories that help you grow and learn English too, subscribe now. You got this.